Well, hello, this is Valerie at My Scrap Chick, and today I'm putting together this new little school pencil note card. It's a simple little slimline card, and it comes with an envelope. Slide them in. And I'm going to put together this one, but I want to show you, I like having options when I'm creating files, and I noticed that you guys like to have options too. So I was going to show you, this one was done with a white card base, and I know I've already got it assembled, but if you're going to use a white card base, I included a black piece that you can use to assemble all of the pencil layers. But that allows you to have a white card, and then you can write what you want on here. But I'm putting together this one, and on this one I chose to use black cardstock as the card base. And in order to write a message on the inside so you can actually see it, I'm including a liner for the inside, and this is where you can write your message. And so, okay, this one, I'm going to go ahead and start putting this one together, and these are the layers for the front. And you need that black backing because that's what helps show the little lead on the pencil and the mouth and the eyebrows. So I'll go ahead and start putting this together. Actually, I'm going to start with the top. Found it's easiest to start with the top and line up the eraser right along the very top of the card here. And these are really nice. They go together real quick. These would be great for teacher note cards and whatnot. And then just work our way down. And then I like to use the tweezers to put the tongue on because it's really tiny. And then finally, we'll put on the eyeglasses. And we'll just kind of, I like to do them a little bit at an angle, give them some character. And then the eyeballs. There you go. The front is all done, and then you can glue this to the inside. And if you like, you could pull this into your software and add some type of a note or greeting or inspirational quote and do print and cut. So there he is, all ready to go. And now here's the envelope. And what I like to do with the envelope is fold it along the score lines here. The wide part, the longest part on this side, this is the bottom of the envelope. And so what I would like to do is on the bottom here, on this flap, add a little bit of tape runner and fold it up there. And you're all ready. And so, like I said, you will notice that you're going to have those two options in the downloaded file. And this is a freebie this week. So come on by. grab the freebie. Enjoy. Thank you.